Hey, fabulous 10th graders. I just wanted to jump on really quickly and give you a quick little snippet of what it is that we're going to be doing this week. We will go over this in more detail tomorrow during our regularly scheduled Tuesday class at noon, but I know that not everybody can make it, so I wanted to just give you like a super quick overview of exactly what it is that we're doing. So let's get started. Unit 3 is business and professional speaking. And in this unit, we're going to explore lots of ways that businesses, employees, leaders, and other stakeholders communicate effectively for a specific purpose. In this context, we're talking about the actual business itself. So tomorrow we're going to go over the rubric in detail, but the main things that we're going to be looking at are first, you will do a little bit of research on an existing business. So take, for example, you wanted to research McDonald's. In your research, you want to try to identify what the mission statement or vision statement, sometimes they're called, and core values that that business has. So for example, we can do the same thing with our school. So Sage International School has a mission and a vision statement and some core values. Once you've done some research on what those specific things are, you also want to look at how does that business communicate those things to the various people in the community, their employees, their leaders, their customers, other parts of the community. They might do this through advertising, but it's probably more likely that they communicate their core values through other forms of communication. With their employees, they probably communicate through employee handbooks, through their website. With their community, they might have public service announcements if they are contributing to their community in some way. So keep those things in mind as you're doing that initial research, because your first task is to write a short paper just talking about the research that you did on that company. So you're going to briefly describe the company, and then you're going to tell what their mission, vision, core values are, and then what ways do they communicate those core values? Do they do it through advertising? Do they do it through their website? And then like, what can you kind of conclude about this company based upon the understanding of those core values? And then I want you to take a look and see, do they actually like affirm those core values through the way that they interact with the community and their employees and the customers? Or do they sometimes deny those core values? So if McDonald's had a core value of making, healthy food, how did they try to affirm that core value? Or are there times that they kind of deny their core values? So that's the first piece. Overall, what we're going to be doing in this unit is you guys are going to be doing various steps to kind of create your own business, and so far as identifying your mission statement, vision statement, core values, and then figure out a way of how you would communicate those core values to the various stakeholders. So all of the tasks in this unit are geared towards that. So after you do some initial research on an existing business, then I'm going to give you tasks where you have to think about, what would my mission statement be if I were a company? What would my core values be if I were a company? How would I communicate those things? Who would the people be that I would be communicating to, the various stakeholders? And then at the end, you're going to create a PowerPoint presentation, a slides, a poster thing to go over and discuss what those core values would be. We're going to talk about that in greater detail at tomorrow's class, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up as to what we're doing, so that you can start thinking about that. I hope you guys are having a great Monday. If you have any questions, please reach out to me anytime, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.